I think got to know you in the 1990s in the ring of the old Bombay Stock Exchange, and 20 years since then, there's one maxim that stands out about you, that you've said it in numerous parties, bars, in the ring, and I'll say it in colloquial and then translate it in English. It says, "Vadhare vadhare levanu, ghatare ghatare bechvanu." That means buy as the market is rising, sell as the market is falling. What is the wisdom in that, and how do you use it?
See, Ramesh, I don't think for a good trader, I think we don't initiate more than 40% of trades which are right. Right, suppose I'm bullish, say, on XYZ stock. Now I buy that stock. If it goes up, it's an indication of the fact that I'm right. And we do what I call is pyramiding. I buy stock at 100, I buy more at 105, I buy more at 110. So what are markets, what is trading? It's basically momentum. So you play momentum. So if the market is rising, its momentum is upwards. So you buy on the rise. If markets are going down, you sell on the fall. And this I don't mind. I don't indicate in long-term trends and medium-term trends and short-term trends. This applies to short-term trends, medium-term trends, and long-term trends.
So you should never average a losing trading position.
Well, at your own cost. Never. At least I never do it.
That's a huge mistake, isn't it?
Unless or until we believe, suppose I buy a stock at 90 and I feel it's going to have a big upside, and the fall is 4-5%, I might average.
Or temporary.
But as a rule in trading, I will never ever average.
But Rakesh, are you then saying that a good trader should have this highest position outstanding at the highest price?
Absolutely. Why not? Who knows what is the highest price?
It's counterintuitive though, isn't it? I mean, most people with good profits.
That's why out of 1 million traders, only 90 or 100 really make money.
What would you look for?
I would look for, first of all, look for broad direction. Don't try to be an expert. Don't try to predict every move, every hour, every day. Right? Take a loss. Know what to stake. Right? I think I feel confident to trade anywhere in the world. All what you need to have is a broad direction of the trend. Right? A very broad idea. Don't try to be an expert in it. Right? Know what to stake and when to take a loss.
Rakesh, most people can't hold on to trading profits, right? Isn't that the big problem?
Well, it's a problem, but who knows, I don't know, I watch on this TV targets. What are targets? Who can predict anything? See, when I buy a stock, there comes a level at which I also feel that the price is unreasonable. But at that moment, I'm alert. That unreasonableness has to be combined with technical weakness. Then only is the move exhausted. So what is the profit?
That means the lower tops, for example, or poor volumes, or bad price action.
Absolutely.
Things like that.
General trend. And then the general belief of, just believe in the market, just go up, there's no tomorrow.
Trees don't go to the sky. Rakesh, the other thing that all good traders always pronounce is know how to take a loss. Why is that so important in your...
Because, see, nobody can predict momentum. It can turn. We never know, all big moves start with small moves. Right? And therefore, the price is the first indicator of what is coming. So if I do a trade, so I buy XYZ stock at 100 and it goes to 120 and I buy more, no worry, by the time it is 90 it will be all squared up.
You take
get unease, I can't sleep. I can't eat, I get such unease. And sometimes when the market is against me, I am uneasy up till 9:15. And 9:45 it's squared off, you're fine. In my career also I earned money in trading. It's not that every year I made money. I made it in sports, right? And I made it in certain periods, 89 to 92, 2003 to 2007, 2009, 10, 10, 11 has been a good year. So I have made it in sports, say 94 to 99, I wouldn't have made any trading income.
The idea is always, as you said, when the iron is hot, strike.
Absolutely.
Don't try to make 50,000 rupees a day.
And we are not earning in trading by employing billions of dollars in trading. My net capital employed in trading is 1 lakh. So if I earn, say, if I even earn 1 crore, you can't imagine the return on equity.
Right.
Because everything else is borrowed and I pay interest on it. So my real capital, the capital of my partnership firm is 1 lakh.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. So it's pure leverage. You don't
pure
have
leverage.
personal capital into
I put mine and my wife's assets and borrow money and I use that.
तो जैसे आपने स्पीच में सुना कि राकेश झुंझुनवाला बोलते हैं बाय व्हेन द मार्केट इज राइज एंड सेल व्हेन द मार्केट इज फॉल। तो आपको जब बाय करना चाहिए इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में, जब मार्केट बढ़ रहा हो, और जब बेचना चाहिए जब वो शेयर गिर रहा हो। क्योंकि इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या महत्व रहता है मोमेंटम का, कि मोमेंटम अप ट्रेंड है कि डाउन ट्रेंड है। अगर अप ट्रेंड मोमेंटम है तो अपन को खरीदना चाहिए, और अगर मोमेंटम डाउन ट्रेंड में है तो अपन को बेचना चाहिए। तो जी सिंपल रूल है दोस्तों। लेकिन दोस्तों इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में जैसे कि राकेश झुंझुनवाला कहते हैं कि 90% ट्रेड उनकी गलत रहती है और 10% ट्रेड ऐसी रहती हैं जो सही सक्सेसफुल रहती है। इसलिए दोस्तों इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में 1 मिलियन में से 90 to 100 ऐसे ट्रेडर रहते हैं जो डेली पैसे बना पाते हैं। और दोस्तों इसलिए अपन को कम से कम इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। और जैसे अगर राकेश झुंझुनवाला का पोर्टफोलियो आप सबको पता है कितना बड़ा है, लेकिन वो बताते हैं कि सिर्फ 1 लाख रुपए उनके पास ऐसे हैं जो इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ऐसे ही आप अगर आपको ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं, कम से कम पैसे से ट्रेडिंग करें और ज़्यादातर पैसे लॉन्ग टर्म में लगाकर अच्छे रिटर्न कमाएं। क्योंकि अगर आप एक दिन आपने ट्रेडिंग की और अगर आपको पैसे बन जाते हैं तो आप कभी भी ये नहीं समझिए कि आपके कहने से मार्केट चलता है या जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से वो किया है तो मोमेंटम था तो वो ट्रेड सक्सेसफुल हुई। ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कल वो ट्रेड आपकी गलत जाए और जितने पैसे आपने कमाए हैं वो सारे आप गवा दें। इसलिए लिमिटेड फंड के साथ ही ट्रेडिंग करें। कभी भी ज़्यादा उत्साह में आकर अगर आपकी 1-2 ट्रेड सही हो जाए तो ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे पैसे इन्वेस्ट कर दें, मिनिमम पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करें और टेंशन लेने से और अपनी वेल्थ को रिस्क में डालने से बचें। तो दोस्तों ऑलवेज बिलीव इन वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग एंड लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टिंग। तो दोस्तों ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें इन्वेस्टमेंट माइंड्स के लिए। मिलते हैं दोस्तों।